If you're craving an unforgettable dining experience in the city of Athens with the breathtaking view of the Acropolis to the sound of the sea, then keep on watching this video because today we're diving into the top 3 dinner experiences that will make your visit to the capital city a memorable adventure. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the best traveling guides and reviews for your next bucket list adventure. Number 3. Cooking class. To immerse yourself in the art of Greek cuisine, why not learn to prepare it yourself by taking a cooking class? Athens offers a range of cooking workshops where you can learn to create traditional dishes under the guidance of skilled local chefs. These classes provide hands-on experience that will deepen your understanding of Greek cooking techniques and flavors. You'll learn about the importance of fresh ingredients and the cultural significance of each dish. In the end, you get to enjoy the fruits of your labor by tasting your gourmet creations, all while sipping on a glass of wine. Number 2. Half-day Catamaran Cruise. If you're feeling tired from your Athens sightseeing, then why not unwind with a leisurely 4-hour semi-private catamaran excursion along the Athenian Riviera. You have the option to learn the basics of sailing from the experienced skipper or simply relax in the sun on the deck. As you sail, you will be offered complimentary cocktails and delicious Greek appetizers made of fresh ingredients directly cooked on the barbecue. If you choose the late tour, be ready to experience a truly tranquil evening as you watch the captivating sunset. Number 1. Dinner in the sky. For those seeking a truly unique, once-in-a-lifetime experience, then dining in a sky-suspended, revolving restaurant might just be it. You will be elevated to a breathtaking 50 meters above ground, where you will be able to enjoy the panoramic views of Athens, including the magical glow of the Acropolis at night, all while your dining table gracefully rotates. You will be served a sumptuous 6-course feast featuring a blend of modern and traditional Greek dishes with unlimited wine, beer, and soft drinks. You can choose between the romantic sunset dinner or the captivating city lights dinner. Since tickets are in high demand and limited, it's wise to secure your spot in advance. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and be sure to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my travel guides and adventures. Keep on traveling, and I'll see you guys in the next video.